Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So maybe I look a little bit different today. That's because this is what I am for Halloween for the costume party that is on board Carnival Conquest because I'm still on vacation. And I know that I said that I would do the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions and the Sapphire Obsessions, which is what I have on my eyes today. So I'm going as Harley Quinn from Suicide Squad, and my husband is gonna go as the Joker. So I made sure that I used both of these palettes on the right side and the left side to do Harley Quinn's makeup. I went a little more for the glam grunge, so make sure to watch the tutorial and let me know what you think down in the comment section below. I've already done my foundation and primed my eyes with the P. Louise base in the color Rumor 0.5. I'm gonna zoom you in and we can start on our eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and do the Ruby Obsessions on the right side.
Take me in slow, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you. And the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes up. Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start locking eyes up. Lost control. Control.
now that we're done with the Ruby Obsession side, I'm gonna go ahead and do the Sapphire Obsessions on the left side.
Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but in the dead of the night. Teardrops on the floor. The pain is over. Feel the darkness take control. Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind, just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control. Let the darkness take control. Darkness take control. May the darkness take control. Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start locking eyes.
Alright, now that I've got my eyes the colors that I want them, and a little bit messy because Harley Quinn doesn't have nice, neat makeup. So you can make it as grungy or as clean cut as you want it, but I went with more of the grungy side. I'm gonna add in my eyeliner and my mascara, and I will be right back. Well guys, I hope you liked the tutorial. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Make sure to hit the bell icon for notifications of new videos, which go up Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so that I know that you like this video. And until next time, see you later.